Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch based out of San Diego, California. And I'm going to be telling you guys how I was able to make $8,000 for the month of January 22, which is one of the hardest months of the year. Now let's get right into it.
So Tony, what detail do we have today?
For today we got this GMC Sierra in for a mini detail.
Mini detail? Is it a maintenance or?
In a way, sort of, like almost every month, but it's more like whenever he's ready.
Okay.
So he'll just let me know.
How fast do you want to knock this one out?
With Edwin's help, in about an hour and 15 or less.
I heard that this month has been, or January has been a really good month.
Yeah, one of our best months for like starting off the year. It's usually pretty bad, but this past January went really well.
So Tony, I heard you made like 8K in January.
Yeah.
What do you think was the reason you were so successful last month?
I think ads had a big part of that. So I got a couple new clients and then some steady, or some previous clients as well. So it kind of like steady flow of income. Got to do some big jobs.
So compared to like the last 3 to 4 years?
It's way better. So just for comparison, I believe our 2021 January we got like for total revenue of around like $600. Like we didn't even hit $1,000 for the whole month of January 2021. So that's like a huge difference.
Damn. You think it's because of the clientele list you have now, or?
Yeah, kind of that helped out a bit because we for sure made over probably like 3 or 4 grand just off of like maintenance and previous clients that we've already had, and the rest of the money was from like new clients. So kind of like 50-50 split.
New clients from Instagram or just?
Pretty much from Instagram for the most part. From the Instagram ads.
So Tony, now that you made a decent amount of money in January, are you spending more? Are you saving more?
I spent more than what I made. I've been doing that for the past like 3-4 months. It just is what it is. I'm not too worried about it, but I definitely don't want to maintain this type of like spending. So I just got to make more.
Yeah. And you're spending it on the business, like reinvesting it in the business?
Yeah, for the most part, I'd say about like 60 to 70% back into the business, and the rest is just bills and things I need.
Okay. Are you spending it on ads, on labor, chemicals?
Yeah, all three. But the majority of the percentage is on ads.
On ads?
For the most part.
And what about the gas?
Yeah, that's part of it. I think January, I haven't made the exact, like I haven't done the math yet, but I think it's probably roughly around 600 or 800 for the month.
On gas?
Just for gas.
Damn.
Roughly. Been doing a couple trips out to LA, getting some big jobs done over there, and it's a far drive.
Yeah. And what's your game plan? You want to keep spending more into the business or take a step back?
Now I'll definitely keep spending more into the business. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit just because I'm not sure how well February is gonna do. So I'm gonna cut it down a little bit and just kind of see how it goes, just so I don't get myself in too much debt.
What is that, like a wax coating or?
It's just a rinseless wash and wax, but we use it as like a spray wax, as a drying aid. There's like a bunch of like things you could use it for. Mm-hmm. And so it just makes the paint feel really nice, slick, and smooth, and it gives it some light layer of protection.
Okay. So Tony, quick question. Let's say there's a detailer that's having a hard time getting customers. Do you have any advice for them?
Well, probably try, if you have money to spend, try to do some ads. But you got to make sure when you do those ads that you make like a proper ad. Don't just put an advertisement on any post that you have. Because what I see a lot of mistakes I see detailers make is they'll post an advertisement on a picture that's not that great, or like the angle's got to be pretty decent. Like, have a nice picture of the car already clean and everything, and a nice description. Like a lot of time I just see detailers putting, oh hey, I can wash your car for like 20 bucks or something, and then they put like a random picture, a weird like location or vehicle or whatever, and I feel like it doesn't attract much clientele or people's attention. So do ads, but do them right, do them like decent at least. Nice picture, nice description.
And what about like patience?
Yeah, you gotta be patient. This doesn't come easy. I've been doing this for like almost 4 years by myself now, and it takes time to get like to where I'm at. I'm not even like that. Like, I don't consider myself super like booked out and having like a bunch of clientele. Like, I have a decent amount, but I just feel like I could do better. So you just gotta be patient, gotta keep going, moving forward, and just do your best.
So Tony, what packages are bringing you the most income right now?
Level 3s, new vehicle protection package, and level 1s. A couple level 2s as well. We're kind of getting a bit of everything right now, except for we haven't really been doing any like full interior details lately, probably like 1 or 2. But those other packages, they've been bringing in pretty solid income. Now the mini details, they don't bring in that much income, but they are more like a lot more consistent. Okay, so like it kind of brings us like steady income flow.
Got it. And what are your goals for 2022?
We might get a shop. I'm not too sure yet. I'm thinking about it. I've been wanting to get a shop since 2020, but just haven't pulled the trigger yet. And I definitely want to get like 1 or 2 employees. If I get a shop, I'm gonna need like at least 2, maybe even 3. And if I don't get a shop, if I just stay mobile, then I might consider getting another van and having like 2 or 3 guys.
Do you have an idea who that would be?
Nah.
He has his own business already?
Yeah, he's already started his own. He can still help out, but he's gonna be doing his own thing, so I don't want to like keep him away from that. He wants to build his own type of thing.
Nice. And you'll stay in the San Bernardino area?
For the most part, yeah, that's what I'm looking at in that area. Maybe go a little bit further, but it really depends. But I kind of want to keep it local. Well, there you guys have it. That's how I was able to make $8,000 for the month of January in 2022. Let me know how you guys are able to get more clients in the comments down below. And remember, if you guys like this type of content and videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Appreciate it.